Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, your SSC Board Mentor. In today's video, I am going to tell you all how to study for any chapter from your board's point of view or any upcoming exam. I got 96 marks in science and technology in my SSC boards. So that's why I think myself capable of giving you the information about how to study any chapter. In this short video, you are going to get a complete guidance in detail that how you should study any chapter for science. So get ready to ace your examinations. Let us start. The first step is to master the exercise questions. And when I say master the exercise question, means you have to do each and every question. As an example, I have attached over here the exercise of heredity and evolution. So each question from the complete the following diagram till answer the following question till the F point. Every answer, first of all, should be from your textbook, and you should learn each and every answer by heart because the most of your board paper, 70%, I would say 60 to 70% of your board's paper is nothing but your exercise questions. So do not miss out on any of the questions, even this question. Like here, you have to justify the statement in your own words, but that also comes for 2 marks. So each and every question, do not miss even a single question. This will be your step one. As soon as the lesson is taught, the first step is you have to learn the exercise. Step two is to master the diagrams, flowcharts, and all the boxes in the lesson. So I am going to explain you with the examples. Now in boards, once they asked a question where where they were asked that the endangered species were on which pages and the previously endangered species on which pages. So you have to remember the these small things also. They literally give the chart and they asked for the pages, the colors of the pages of the red list or the book. I don't remember that, but yeah. So here you have to remember this pink pages and green pages are there. So yes, you have to remember this small things also. They can ask anything. So textbook is your Bible, textbook is your God. Do everything from your textbook. Do not miss out on any single thing. Now, secondly, in 2026 only in boards, this question was asked. What was the name of the sheep who was produced with the help of cloning? So see, it is very important that you go through each and every word of the textbook and whatever you feel important, you have to learn it. Now, for example, we also have this chart. Now, this chart almost every year in the form of a table or in the form of name the following, you will not get as it is. It will be in various forms, like it may be in fill in the blanks, it may be in match the column, it may be in complete the table, complete the chart, or they will directly tell you to draw the chart. You have to be ready for everything. This chart is extremely important, like, so do not miss on these types of charts or diagrams or these boxes. The boxes which we generally ignore come out to be the most important for your objectives. The step 3 is read the lesson by heart and highlight the important objectives, and I have highlighted the word learn. Just highlighting it doesn't make any sense if you do not learn them. For example, this is one. I have took two paragraphs from the chapter 2. You can see I have highlighted the important points. Like vitamins are a group of heterogeneous compounds. A, B, C, D, E, and K are the types. A, D, E, and K are fat soluble. How you can remember this? Like Kida, K, E, D, A, Kida. And Kida, you can imagine they are solids, so fat soluble. And then B and C are water soluble. Then riboflavin vitamin B2, nicotinamide vitamin B3. You have to learn these things. There is no other option. If you want to get good marks, you have to learn these things. For the initial phase, it will feel a bit complicated and difficult, but as you get used to the pattern, they will not be difficult anymore. And this paragraph also, you get directly questioned that why is water the essential unit nutrient. And also one more thing, you get question from here, why fibers, they ask why are fibers important. There is one give reason in the exercise, so that answer is over here only. So see to it Whatever you are highlighting is meant to be learned. Just don't decorate your book and keep it. Learn it and keep it in your mind. The step 4 and the last one is master the PYQs. Once you have done the exercise, once you are done with the reading of the chapter and doing all the important objectives and highlights, you have to go to PYQs. Now I have provided here where you can find the PYQs. For previous year papers, you can go to Arihant Academy website. They provide each year papers are there on that website. This website has helped me a lot. From 2025 you will get the papers, I guess. 2026 paper you will not get over here. But yes, it is a wonderful website. And secondly, if you want to go chapter wise, means because we want that only the most. So you go to Easy Learning app. They have this free material section in which PYQs are there. So this free material helps a lot. This is not sponsored by Easy Learning or this is not sponsored by Arihant Academy. But see, it is a lot beneficial when you go chapter wise. They have provided PYQs year by year, month by month. You can see July 25, March 25, July 24, March 24. So once you are done with the chapter, you have to do these things. So I will once quickly revise what all things you have to do. First thing, you have to do the exercise, master the exercise. Second thing, you have to do all the important diagrams, boxes, and third point was whatever highlights which are there that you have to learn by heart. And the fourth is master the PYQs. These four steps are more than enough for you to get above 95 marks in your science board examination. Lastly, I would like to end the video by saying study smart, not hard, and the sky is the limit. And friends, if you really liked this video or if you found this helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do comment your opinion about my video editing and give me suggestion for the new videos. That's it for today. Thank you. Keep supporting.